And with internet issues still being listed as the main challenge for online classes, we reached out to the island's internet service providers for answers.
It has been the cry since March 2020. Poor or no internet hindering online classes. The 17 months of complaining means 17 months for internet service providers to get it right. Public Relations and Communications Manager at Digicel Jamaica, Elon Parkinson, insists that major improvements have been made since last year, and so those issues are not expected again this year.
This is why we've invested over $200 million in the rollout of fiber services across several communities in the corporate area and St. Catherine, along with improving over 800 cell sites across the country, layering it with much faster LTE mobile data technology. We've also reached into several rural communities with LTE home wireless internet service.
He says the improvements are ongoing. But with persons in several parishes still reporting issues, we asked what are customers to do.
Our engineers are always ready to respond to any spikes in data demand and to ensure that our customers have a smooth streaming experience. At the same time, our customers can reach us via the My Digicel app.
We also reached out to Flow. We were promised a response during the course of the day. However, up to news time, we still did not receive it. A comparatively newcomer to the industry, Ready TV, also responded. Company CEO Chris Daring says since last year, Ready TV has partnered with the Education Ministry for two initiatives, eHome School Primary and eHome School Secondary. Both are available through cable service providers or using a television antenna. He says the other option is cutting-edge technology.
The second initiative, obviously, is internet. And we were the first satellite internet operators in the country. We launched that last year. We delivered over 100 schools in just about 48 days, despite torrential rainfall. And we're continuing to provide internet to those schools and communities in all those remote locations. We're quite excited about that because these are communities that had never had internet before in some cases.
Mr. Daring says Ready TV's rural initiative has been implemented at a number of schools, including Little Bay Primary School in Westmoreland.
Donington Primary up in the hills of St. Mary, Richmond Gap up in the hills of St. Thomas, what beautiful little school, Cooper's Hill Primary up in the Rio Grande Valley. And what was really nice about that, I visited that school not too long ago, and to see the kids utilizing the internet for the first time.
We were unable to get in touch with students from those schools for their assessment of today's internet experience. Herman Green, TVJ News.